one thing I know, finding health insurance is really tough. So tell us about InsureMonkey and how you help people find health insurance.
So InsureMonkey is a technology-based company where we provide an aggregate rate for all of the different health insurance carriers to show up and display their rates online, depending on where you are.
And how do you gather all the information from the different companies?
We actually connect to all of the different carriers on a one-on-one connection through an API data connection for our site. Depending on your exact demographics, zip code, age, and gender, we can pull back the rates in real time from all the different health insurance carriers.
So it's customized for each person who does a search?
Absolutely, based on their specific information as well as their family information if they're families.
Okay, great. And how do you make money from this? Do you take a cut of transactions or?
Sure. So insurance normally is a commission-based product, so on our consumer direct site we do make commissions from each plan. However, it's a regulated industry, so whether you come to us, go to the carrier direct, or go to your local broker on the corner of Main Street and Jones, you're going to pay the exact same rate as a consumer. In addition, since we're a technology platform, we license our technology out to health insurance carriers, to private market exchanges, as well as they're ushering in the new public exchanges due to healthcare reform.
Okay, so all those different groups can go on can use your service to find insurance.
Certainly, and a lot of consumers don't know that they might be on our site through a private market exchange that we've licensed our technology to.
Okay, great. And what types of savings can people expect from using your site?
Well, ultimately the savings is in being able to look at all the different plans available. So much like Orbitz or Travelocity, when you're looking for a flight, if you went to one airline carrier directly, you don't know what the best offer is out there. So the savings ultimately is in being able to comparison shop, look for the benefits, and look at what your specific needs are and fulfill that plan accordingly.
This really is an industry where people often don't know what's out there and what's the best deal and who has the best features, right?
Certainly, and one of the things that we do is we prominently display our 800 toll-free number on all of our web pages to make sure that if somebody is confused by the process, which it is oftentimes a very confusing process, they can call in and speak to one of our licensed insurance representatives that will help them through the process to somewhat demystify all the differences in the benefits and cost and deductibles, co-insurances, so on and so forth.
Can you do ratings of different companies and their plans?
We don't have any sort of ratings engine up on there right now. We refer over to AM Best for the ratings.
Okay, great. Alex Rivlin of InsureMonkey, and you've been named one of Forbes' most promising companies, right?
Yes, we're very proud of being named recently in the December issue of Forbes as one of America's most promising companies.
Great.